Hello Explorer, it's Nat, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So we are just going to be walking around the quiet town of Guindulman. Guindulman is actually found on the southeastern part of Bohol, and we are here for the New Year's holiday. I just want to show you guys around this beautiful town. It's actually a great place for diving, and yeah, my dad bought a property here. I've done previous vlogs about the hiking around this area, but I also wanted to share with you guys the beach part of this side of town. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this relaxing nature beach vibe vlog, provincial beach vibe vlog. What I find really interesting about Guindulman is the beaches change from really rocky to brown sand to mangroves and also to white sand areas in just a short walk. We are currently in the white sand area. So nice. There's a lot of fishing in this area. You can see all the nets, a lot of fishermen. I think it's a little fishing village aside from diving. So not.
Can you use it for cooking?
No. The water there is fresh, the one I showed you, but I think that's the only spot where the fresh water goes from the mountain. But aside from that, I think it's just all salt water. I'm sure some of you would be like, oh my god, it's so gross. Probably is, but I'm still alive. I've done it.
I mean, it's not like you're drinking it. I'm
just tasting it.
Tasting it. You just put it on your tongue and spit it out.
Oh yeah, I forgot to spit it out. So just kidding.
Well, there you go. I guess. What's the nearest hospital?
Nearest hospital is Cebu. Jokes.
Guess we better start driving.
Super relaxing here, guys. Like morning strolls, quiet, and considering it's a public holiday, I would have expected a lot of people in the beaches. Or maybe because today is still a work day and tomorrow is the real public holiday. So taking advantage of today. Oh, look what it says on the boat. You need a photo by that. It's his boat.
It's my boat now.
Come a little closer. Have a look at this. This is meant to be fresh water. So in case an apocalypse happens, fresh water is accessible if there's no electricity. Let me just double check though. Come closer. It is fresh. You wanna try, Chris? Doesn't want to try. But It's fresh water from the mountain, and what's awesome about it is, yeah, it's just by the sea, and we live just nearby. And I think my dad actually bought this property primarily because there is access to fresh water if anything happens. If you guys noticed, if you see behind me, it's like the rocky area and all the pebbles in the sand, and just where I'm at in the other side is completely a white sand beach. So yeah, you have two different options in just a short walk. Alright guys, I'm going to close the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed that short, relaxing view of Guindulman, some of the beaches. There are more places to explore in this area. So yeah, just if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you can subscribe. I'll be posting more vlogs in this area of Bohol. Alright, bye guys!